Hello, this is Brandon.
The 3.4 liter V6 engine from Chevy. This came out of a 1994 Camaro, and it's going to be being put together for this Jeep Comanche right here.
This video is how to remove the vibration damper. So this right here is a vibration damper.
And it requires a puller, which is this little guy right here.
So
the way this works is you just put it on there enough that it'll stay.
And then this guy
Goes into the puller like this.
Then it has a cap on the end.
This guy right here. Now this makes sure that you get centered onto the crankshaft.
And you don't damage the threads. That kind of presses in and doesn't allow it to damage the threads. So then we'll run it in there.
Then we're gonna hand turn it. Now that centers it like that.
That locks it. So after that's on like this,
you just gotta slowly
turn it.
you kind of have to hold the damper so that it doesn't turn. Because as you turn it, the crankshaft will want to turn. And it slowly pulls it off of the crankshaft.
Just about off. There.
There it is. This is a vibration damper.
Used for the 60-degree V6 GM engine.
Well, that's how you remove the vibration damper. Sometimes it's hard.